Hey guys, what I've got here is the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now I've not bought this myself. My friend Gary has kindly dropped it off so that I can do an unboxing and a first impressions, but there is no denying that this is an absolute beast of a phone. Now if you look at the specifications, this is very, very impressive. Gary's picked up the midnight green version, but you can also pick it up in gold, space grey and silver. And he has got the 256GB version. I think that's the most sensible one to go for. 64 just isn't practical once you've installed the operating system and all that. Now this particular version, the Pro Max, has got a 6.5 inch screen, but you can pick up the version that's got the smaller 5.8 inch screen as well. So I will leave a link to that specifications page so you can check out more about what this can actually do, but let's plow ahead and see what's in the box. So here is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and you can see that this is the midnight green version, 256GB, but yeah, fairly minimal style here. And as always, the presentation is really, really good. Apple are always good at that though. So let's get this open. And there is the phone. That is the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. And here it is. Now, you guys are all aware that I am predominantly an Android user. I've not had an iPhone since the iPhone 4, but there is no denying that this looks amazing. It looks absolutely amazing. Now, as I said, this is not mine, so I'm going to leave this on for Gary so that he doesn't lose the new phone experience. But what I would say is first impressions are that, you know, at the back of this looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks really, really nice. Now, I do think that Apple iPhones in many respects are extremely overpriced, but, you know, this is, of course, a premium product. It's really weighty as well. It's got a nice weight to it. Yeah, it looks really nice. But let's go ahead and we'll see what else is in the box. You've got hello, your SIM card ejector tool. Put that there. You've got the adapter. And this, I believe, is Type-C. You can see there, that's a Type-C connection there. Really nice plug actually, because that's a 3-prong UK plug, like that. That's really, really nice. So yeah, that's really, really nice. I really like that design. Very portable. And then got the headphones there. And then you've got the Type-C to iPhone connector. So this is kind of like a bridge towards perhaps adopting Type-C in the future. But you can see that they've opted for a Type-C connection here, which is actually something that even Android phones don't tend to do. They tend to use a Type-A connection to a Type-C, but they've went for Type-C to the Lightning connector port. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max is powering on, and you don't really notice the notch much when the screen is black. And that's what I found myself last year when I was using an Android phone that had this notch, but you can see it now. A little bit more obvious now that the screen is on. And, you know, a lot of people have criticised Apple for this. I wasn't really criticising them per se, but I was surprised that they stuck with this larger notch rather than go for something a little bit smaller. But what I will say from having a phone last year that had a notch exactly like this, you kind of don't notice it after a while. And it's important to realise as well that the bezels around the side here are really thin. This has got a 6.1 inch display. This is 6.5, and the bezels are very similar. It's quite a, I say this at the start, this is quite a weighty phone, and you can see the side, it is quite thick as well, but not by a huge margin. Overall though, I'm very impressed with the design. It does feel like a quality product, a premium product, and yeah, it looks really good. So looking around the phone, you can see the SIM card slot there and a firework in the background. So you've got the side button there, you've got a SIM card slot there. At the bottom, you've got the iPhone connector there. You've got a microphone. So that's actually a microphone there, and then that's your stereo speaker. You've got your volume rockers there, and then you've got your silent switch, which is still on all iPhones. As far as what you get in the box itself, you get this lovely little box. You get the SIM connector tool with the hello guide and all that. You get this cool little UK 3-prong adapter, which I really like actually. You get the headphones, and you get the Type-C to Lightning connector power cable. As far as the phone goes though, yeah, I think it looks really, really nice. You can see the triple camera in the back there. I think Gary's went with the right choice as well with this colour. I think this looks really, really good. Kind of like a business grey. It looks nice though. Overall, I'm impressed. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. As you would expect from Apple, the unboxing experience is simple, but it's really, really nice. They've kept things simple as far as presentation goes. As far as the phone goes, I'm quite impressed. Now, obviously, I've not really opened this yet. I've still got the sticker on here, and I've kind of been handling this with kid gloves because this is not mine, and I don't want to take away from Gary's new phone experience. But, just holding the phone in my hand, you can tell this is a premium product. It's weighty. It's a little bit thicker than my other phone, but not by much. It's actually quite a good thing. You can tell that this is a premium product, and the design on the back and all that as well, you can see it's just a really smooth texture here. I think the cameras look quite good on the back as well. I am a little bit surprised that they're still going with this notch on the front, but it doesn't bother me. It really doesn't bother me, and it didn't bother me last year when I had the Pocophone F1. So some people might be put off by that, but personally, if it's there for functionality, if it's there for cameras and it helps, then I'm all for it. Whether it's worth this premium price, well, that's another story altogether, but I definitely think that this feels like a quality product. It feels like a premium product, and I'm sure Gary is absolutely going to love this. So many thanks again to Gary for giving me this. I'd love to hear your opinions on this. My first impressions, at least from a build quality point of view, I've not tested it yet, but my first impressions of the actual phone build quality is really, really impressive. And yeah, it's a big phone, but nearly all phones today are big. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks again to Gary. And if you've got any questions, please do leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And until next time, take care.